What's up, you guys? It's your girl Minnie and I am back at it with another flipping video. If you're new to this channel, please hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell to get notified anytime I upload a new video, because you don't want to miss out on any of the good vibes that I have going on over here. And I must say thank you to the people that have been subscribing, that have been commenting, that have been sending nothing but positivity my way. I really do appreciate you guys. And yeah, today I'm doing another wig from Sensationnel. You know, Sensationnel be coming through with the come through, and this is Cloud9 What Lace wig, and I did get her from Amazon. She was $65. I'm loving the dark brown and the light brown. Cute. It says HG lace, keep them guessing. I got the Solana flamboyant chocolate, and it says it's safe up to heat to 300 to 400 degrees. Hopefully this curls, because the last wig I did it didn't curl. It's 13 by 6 ear to ear, and it says pre-plucked natural density, undetectable flawless hairline, perfect hairline with baby hair along the hairline, pre-custom units, protective style, no leave out necessary. Oh, you're giving the girls tea. It come in 7 different colors, as you can see right here. Yeah, so those are the different colors that it come in, and this is the stock card right here. This is the lace. Look at that lace, girl. So pretty usual constructive wig. It has combs on the sides and the nape area and an adjustable strap, and this is the inside of the lace. This is the inside of the cap. I'm loving the color of the hair. I just don't like how this is like up like that. What is that? Is it supposed to be on this side? Why are you up like that, ma'am? So it does go side ear to side ear, which I like, and it's looking real natural. Like if you want to glue this down, you could. I'm really liking this. Oh, let's cut the lace off and see what it do, baby. I'm going in my Too Faced dark chocolate Soleil, putting that into the lace. Chill. Can you bleach the lace on a synthetic wig? Is that smart? Let me know down in the comment section below. I like to do side parts because, for the simple fact that my forehead big. Okay, getting somewhere. It gets kind of tangled, but synthetic hair, what you want. This is cute. This is giving Beyonce. Why every wig that people get, they be like, it's giving Beyonce. Let me see if I can curl this. I don't even know why I'm doing the front again. Remember last time? I don't feel like it did anything. I do smell the hair, so let me leave it alone. I really like it as it is. Look at that, blending so nicely. Bringing the hair to the front. This is cute. And then this is the back of the hair. This is the back of the hair. This is cute. It says you can braid it, but I can't braid with these nails. See, she got braids in here. I really like it. I really like it how it is. I just don't see it holding the curl, and I don't want to mess it up. Should I try again? Let me try somewhere else. I'm going to try to see if it holds the curl. Or maybe the wand is just not it. You know what I'm saying? I got hair in my eye. It's not holding a curl for me, and I don't know how hot that wand gets. So, as you can see, it does get tangled, so you're going to need your brush as you go to brush it out. But I'm really loving this hair. It's been a good week for me. I have a new foundation that I like. If you want to see that video, the link will be down below. And yeah, I'm liking this hair. But I need you to be down. Like, what is that? Yeah, so I'm really liking the color of it. I'm liking the length of it. I'm liking that it does go side ear to side ear. I don't know about the curl situation. I don't know if it's my wand. I don't want to get another curler and mess this hair up even more. I'm just going to leave it as it is. And straight out the pack. This is a straight out the pack wig. You can definitely wear it. It does tangle a little bit. Yeah, I'll give this wig an 8. For the simple fact that it's not curling. It's giving movie star hair. Yeah, so this reminds me of the other sensational wig that I did, the Dashley wig, but the length is longer. This length is OD long, and the cut is different, and the color is different, and the feel of it is actually different. So I'm really liking this. Let me know how you feel about this wig. Please comment down below, and yeah, until next time, peace.